I know you gonna dig this.
Okay, I'm back. Just want to show you exactly all the parts and pieces that are going to be put together, and I'm going to call it a budget build. It's probably going to run about $600 to $700 in that range somewhere. But it's the latest and greatest kind of technology at the lower end. Like the processor I got here, it's a 3.3. I can't remember what they call it. Anyhow, it's a 3.3 gigahertz Sandy Bridge. So that's the processor I'm going to be using. I got my 8 gigs of Mushkin Enhanced Silver Line Stiletto. These are clocked at 1333. The motherboard, it's a micro ATX. All the latest and greatest features in there. Really easy BIOS. So you can use it. You can actually use a mouse to get into the BIOS and make changes or whatever you need to do. You got the hard drive here, 500 gig Seagate, very standard. Then the next is the Blu-ray from LG. I've never had an issue with LG whatsoever. This is my 5th one I have, and I use every single one. They work fine. Here's my power supply. I had this laying around, so I didn't really have to do an unboxing, but it's in there anyhow. 700 watts, efficient. I don't even know what to say about it. It's an 80 plus for the energy conservation. Yeah, so this is going to be pretty good. Tested in the high temps at 40 degrees Celsius. High efficient, 82%. That's what gives it its 80 plus certified. High reliability. They say 100,000 hours. NVIDIA SLI ready. 3-year warranty. 20 and the 24 pin ATX 8 pin CPU 4 pin. CPU is modular, yes, fine. 6 pin PCI Express, 6 plus 2 PCI Express, and 4 peripheral, and 2 floppy, and 6 SATA. So that's plenty to do what I want to do. And last, this is what it's going to sit in. Now, I think this is cool. It is quite the case. I like it quite a bit. I'm actually thinking of getting one myself. I'm building this for somebody, so this is what they want it built in, and I think it looks pretty cool. You know, instead of putting it in your living room, by putting it in something like this, most people won't know what's inside. And that's kind of cool. I like stealth looking things, and this is like top notch for me because nobody would really know. Most people would think it'd be a radio. But yeah, I'm going to start getting stuff together here. I gotta go get some thermal paste, and you'll see the rest of the videos posted up. Probably by the end of the week it will be built, and we'll be testing it out on the monitor. So stay tuned. Thumbs up the video if you like any of these reviews. Stop by my store, check out the shirts, and have a good day.